Welcome to Cooking with Mr. G. Ambrosia salad. Quick, easy, and delicious. Here's all the ingredients you need for ambrosia salad. Pineapple chunks. This is the kind I get. Mandarin oranges. Cherries are optional. Sour cream. Kind of optional as well. Marshmallows. Very important. Mini marshmallows. Coconut, sweetened or unsweetened. Flake coconut. Whipped cream, homemade or Cool Whip. I recommend homemade whipped cream. First step, easy, very easy. Drain your fruits. Open them up. Most of them have these pull tabs now, but if you got some older or cheaper brands, they got regular old can openers, so you'll need a can opener. Crack them cans open. Drain that juice. Some people keep the juice. Pineapple juice is definitely delicious. Pour it in a glass, have it, drink it. I've been doing that, so I'm kind of tired of it. Been eating a lot of this, drinking a lot of juice. So hey, that's up to you. Drink it or not, pour it out, whatever. Don't matter, you don't need the juice in this recipe. Alright, so you got your fruits, you got your pineapple, you got your oranges. Take them, get you a bowl, and put them in that bowl. Dump it. There you go. Dump that fruit. Dump it. Dump it. Come on, dump it. Yeah, there we go. Dump that fruit. Dump that fruit. Alright, easy, huh? Really easy. Get you some marshmallows, yeah. Get you a bag of mellows. Toss them in there. Toss that bag of marshmallows in there. Yeah. Can't beat that. Throw them in there. Just do it. If you want to add a little color, you can use some of these colored marshmallows. These are the Lucky Charms. They're not flavored. Next, measure out the coconut, like about half a cup or so, and toss that in there. You know, if it seems like you need more, add more afterwards. That's what I do. Come on, do it. Do it now. Oh, you need more coconut, huh? Great. Throw it in there. Nobody's actually going to make this anyway. Most people don't quit watching by now. Whew, Lord almighty. Toss that cocoa in there, would you? Cocoa nut. Oh, it ain't even great. It's all blurry. It's not even in focus. The new lens I got from Sony. What in the heck you taking those beauties out for? You done lost your mind? Certified lost your mind. We touched all the pretty Lucky Charm mellows. Sour cream. This is kind of optional. These are a little extra twingy twang. You really don't even notice it. You probably never know the difference. But yeah, I go ahead and put about 2 or 3 dollops of daisy in there. If you can't get daisy, you know, get what you can.
Make it 2. Have a cup of coffee while you're at it. Make it 3. Make it 3. 2 big, 1 little.
I highly recommend, you whip up your own whipped cream. Because that stuff is so good. You just sit there and eat that, which I do often, in a bowl. But the whipped cream is definitely important if you don't want to whip your own, which is super easy. Just do some Cool Whip. Whap, whap, whap. 3 big globs of cream and you're about done. Son, that's about it. You mix that stuff up and then you eat it. See how easy it is. Mix it, mix it, mix it, and you're done, done, done. How much more simple can it be? Ambrosia salad is a cinch. It really is super easy. You mix it up and you're done, basically. Cherries. Some people like them. Some people love them. Some people don't like them. I ain't too crazy about a lot of cherries because it'll stain the whole thing, make it all pink and reddish and cherry tasting. So I put a few of them in there. My girlfriend loves them, of course. For some reason women love those cherries in those jars. You buy them a thing of cherries for holidays, Valentine's Day. That's all you got to get them. They're happy. That's a little piece of advice for the men watching, which probably aren't many, but this is a recipe by Mr. G. I'm a pretty good cook. Believe it or not. Few tips to make your ambrosia salad primo. Make homemade whipped cream. Make sure and put sugar and vanilla in it. and the marshmallows starts to break down. So you want to give it time to let them break down. What I like to do is have a mixture of the broke down marshmallows and the fresher marshmallows. So if you like it like that, give it a shot and add a few more in right before you serve it. So you'll have chewier, harder marshmallows and the softer ones that have broke down. And that's about it. Hope you make it and enjoy. Let me know in the comments below how you make yours, what you think of it. Send me some pictures and videos. I'd love to see them. Love to try it.